If you're looking for crypto exchanges this bull run where you can trade with leverage, trade spot, and trade without KYC, today we're going to be looking at how to use the BTCC Exchange. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can go long or short and place trades just like this. Right now, I'm going to open a long position. I haven't done any technical analysis or anything. This is purely just for fun. But at the end of this video, we're going to see how this trade performs. Click buy long. And order confirmed, and let's see how we do at the end of this video. And if you think this platform is a good fit by the end of the video, you can sign up using the referral code in the description to get a nice sign up bonus. Let's jump right in. So why BTCC? Well, this is a centralized crypto exchange, and they offer copy trading, spot trading, and futures trading if you want to go long with leverage. But also interestingly, they've been operating for over 13 years without any hacks or incidents. It's also a non-KYC exchange where KYC is optional, which is a really popular feature for a lot of crypto users. Just make sure to read BTCC's terms and conditions and take precaution if you're gonna be using non-KYC platforms. Now, let me quickly cover the downsides of this platform. We can see BTCC has higher trading fees than most platforms, so I don't recommend the spot trading. If we do the futures maker-taker fees, it's also pretty expensive on the maker fee. However, the taker fee is pretty low, but overall, you're not going to get the lowest trading fees on this platform. The volume, though, is good, which is a bonus. Downside number 2 is the minimum trade amounts. So you have to trade a minimum of 0.01 Bitcoin, which is equivalent to about 650 USDT. So if you're trying to just deposit like 50 bucks or 100 bucks, you probably don't want to use this platform. Now the contract value has to be 650 bucks. So you could deposit 100 and do a 10x leverage trade, that's 1,000, but that might be forcing you to trade with higher leverage than you normally would. Just something to keep in mind, and most platforms do not have a limit like this. And the third one is the withdrawals. Now I haven't had any issues with the withdrawals, but they are slower than other platforms because sometimes it could be manually reviewed. Just read this section here right now on your screen. Now the benefits, as I've mentioned, is this is a non-KYC platform and it's been around for 13 years with no hacks or incidents. So I'm just letting you know the pros and cons. So the first step is to create a new account. If you find the link underneath this video, it'll take you to a web page like this, or you can enter this referral code and that's gonna get you up to 10,000 USDT in welcome rewards. Enter your email, create a password, and then it's gonna ask you to verify your email to get all set up. Now, step 2 would be to go to the KYC section. As you see here, it's asking me to verify to get access to full services. Like I mentioned, KYC is optional on this exchange. I haven't done it yet, and I have a daily withdrawal limit of 10,000 USD. If you do want to KYC, which I recommend, you do get additional benefits such as fiat deposits and higher limits on your crypto deposits and withdrawals. Without KYC, you can still deposit crypto, make trades, use most of the features, and then withdraw up to 10K a day of your crypto. But you can't deposit crypto using fiat from your bank account. So now step 3 is to deposit funds onto the platform. And there's a few different ways you can get to the deposit page. Easiest one is this big deposit button. You can also click the assets and click any of these buttons here. But if it's your first time using BTCC, you're gonna wanna do this. Click the benefit and then exclusive to new users. And then if you scroll down here, you will see all these different missions, so registration, complete KYC, and then some deposit missions. If you deposit funds through here, you'll actually be eligible for the bonuses. So mine expired, I didn't know about this, but if you're just signing up, make sure you deposit funds through here so you get these bonuses. So every other time you'll just click that deposit button. You can choose from 3 different options. Again, if you KYC, you can do the fiat deposit. I'm gonna do a crypto deposit, and it'll take you to the deposit page, and then you just fill out the field. So choose the cryptocurrency. I'm gonna stick with USDT, then select the blockchain network you wanna send from. They have lots of options. I'm going to do BNB Smart Chain, and then the amount you want to deposit. Make sure to always read the notes and the confirmations, warnings, etc. And then you're going to copy this wallet address and paste it into the wallet or exchange that you're sending crypto from. Always double, triple check this address and that you're sending it on the correct blockchain network so you don't lose your funds. Very important. Now I'm gonna go ahead and paste this in my wallet address and send over some crypto. Depending on the asset that you're depositing, it could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, just depends on the network and coin you choose. So just make sure the address is correct and be patient. So I just sent funds from my crypto wallet. To view your assets, you can just go to this drop-down tab here and it'll pop up once those are available. You can also click this to see your account balances. Now on the left, you have your assets overview and then your different accounts. So your futures, spot, etc. And then very important, if you want to use certain accounts, you can click this transfer button here and then send funds between your futures account, your spot account, and those funds stay separated. These are free transfers within your BTCC account. Now let's look at how to open a long position. You can click the drop down here, perpetual futures, and select the trading pair that you like. Now obviously you have your chart right here in the main section of the screen, and this is integrated with TradingView, so you can do all your technical analysis and stuff. For actually placing an order, you can select the leverage icon here, and it lets you go up to 500x, which is insane. You don't need that much leverage, but you can play around with this. I usually go around 10x. You can click confirm, set that to whatever you want. Here you have your market, limit orders, and stop loss take profit, which I highly recommend using. Now you can click this little drop down here, and I like to do it by contract value. So then I can just see how much USDT that I am putting up. And what's going on here? I think I need to set my leverage a little bit higher. Here you'll see your balance. So this is how much I have available for opening new positions. So I have 71 USDT left. And if I'm at 26x leverage and I go all the way, that's how much I can open a position at. But then the liquidation price will be very close if I go 100% of my account value. If you scroll down here, you have your max short, your max long, and other info about your account. Here's the trade that I opened earlier. Right now it is down about 3%. Then to open a limit order, you could just click this button here. I always recommend putting a take profit or stop loss. But if you already have an order open, you can also add that afterwards by just clicking this button here. And then you can set it by the percentage, if I'm up 10% or down 10%, whatever your numbers are, and then click confirm. And then the stop loss is set. Again, you would do this based on your technical analysis. Once you fill out this field, you have the option to go long, so you're betting on the price to appreciate, or you can bet on the price to go down by creating a short. Your order book's kind of in the middle of the screen here, so you have all the sellers in the red and all the buyers in the green, and then the price meets in the middle here. And then your funding rates, which are very important. So this is the fees that the longs pay shorts or the shorts pay long, depending if it's positive or negative. And in about 3 hours, I will be charged a funding rate. Then you have other info here, the volume, which might be more important for smaller trading pairs. And then in the bottom of the screen, you have your positions that are already open. You have my average open price, the current price, and then the risk ratio, which is important to take a look at. And then right here, probably the most important number is your estimated liquidation price. So if Bitcoin falls to 58,810, this position would be closed and liquidated. So we always want to keep an eye on that. You can always add more margin into your account to lower this liquidation price. Now to close the position, you can scroll down to the bottom here, click close. You can see we just went in a profit. So let's get out of here. Click close, and then you can do a market or limit close and select how much you want to get out at. I close this, and just like that, you can see your transaction history by clicking here. And we made a profit loss of 50 cents for the video. How awesome is that? Now the last thing I'm going to show you is the copy trading feature, which is also getting pretty popular in the crypto space. Now you want to find exchanges that are very popular with copy trading. BTCC has over 600,000 total traders, and you can see you have a lot of options here. The main thing you want to look for is when you find a trader, open their profile and really look at the statistics, and don't just look at the high level numbers. So just don't look at these statistics here at the top level. Actually make sure you dig into the profile and look at their actual trading history is very important. But let's say, for example, this one is good. I haven't checked it. You would just click copy, put in how much margin you want to do per order, the maximum amount, fill out the fields, and then click copy trade now. Very simple, just like the other platforms. Now, if you have questions about BTCC or any other crypto exchanges, I'm going to try answering them in the comments. And here's another video that you might like. I'll see you in the next one.